Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay Monday, August 21, 2023 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2PM result ngayong Monday, August 21, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2PM. 3D Lotto 2PM result ngayong August 21, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2PM. 'See you again later for 5PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, August 21, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 74 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 78 million pesos for August 21, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2PM video for afternoon of Monday, August 21, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.